I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the iPhone off and removing the case. This prevents accidental inputs and damage. Next, apply heat, 60-70 degrees C for about 20-30 seconds per edge to soften the adhesive. You'll feel the glass loosen. Once warm, use a thin plastic pick or dental floss and work one corner first, prying gently. You don't want to bend the frame. Move slowly so glass breaks less and adhesive softens further, making the next step smoother and safer. Once a corner is lifted, attach a small suction cup and pull upward gently while you slide a plastic pick around the edge in 1/2 inch increments. Continue applying heat to any sections that resist. That keeps adhesive pliable and reduces cracking. Make sure you never pull the glass straight up from the center. Peel it toward the nearest edge to avoid stressing the display. Also, avoid metal tools near camera and connector areas. Plastic picks prevent shorting and scratching, which is why you use them. When most glass is off, lift slowly to expose any small shards. Wear gloves and use tape or a soft brush to clear fragments. Clean adhesive residue with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth, then let the surface dry. Once clean, inspect the display and test touch and image. If the screen flickers or touch is unreliable, make sure connectors are reseated and free of debris. If problems persist, test with a replacement screen before applying new adhesive and sealing it closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.